going on YouTube? It's Enhanced, really good video for you guys, and today we're doing white noise gameplay with Lux90s, Lux Zyro, and Lux Renegade. Go ahead and say what's up, guys. How do you turn off? Oh yeah, I figured out how to turn off the flashlight. Okay, there's something in this room over here. Are we all together? Are we? Where are you guys?
Okay, who wants to go first?
I'm basically, I'm like walking through
Yay.
That means we're about to get
That means we're about to get
wrecked.
destroyed. You have to find like one card and you get like destroyed. We're playing on Nightmare.
Yeah, where is 90s? I'm not leaving.
Alright, I found somebody. Who's the girl? Who's Daphne? Alright, we're all here. We're all here. The squad is here. The squad is here. Let's go. I'm leading. I am the leader. Follow the leader. To the right, okay?
Wait,
This is Sparta. Run to the right. Run to the right.
Wait, was he there or something?
No, there's like that little green thing and like tells you if it's too close.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Who died? That he was right around the corner. That scared me. Oh my gosh. Stay up all night.
Everything says we need to go there. There's an arrow.
No, it's just showing you where the computers are. Come on, Zyro. 90s beat. Oh my gosh, that was a scary noise.
No, I'm not going in there.
YOLO Schwagness.
Check the right side. I think we just kept it safe. Oh my gosh.
YOLO Schwag Monster Madness Schwag. I only have 2 films and my battery. Oh my gosh, they're putting some scary sound effects that are making me even more scared. I never heard these in my easy. Oh my gosh! I can't run. I'm trying to run.
Wait.
Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, he's really close, alright.
Oh, I think I'm about to die.
Oh, nice, right, that's right.
YOLO, run, Schwagger monster.
Alright, well, 90 just died.
9, did he really?
Yeah. Wait, 90s, are you dead or not?
No.
Oh, I thought, okay, I heard like it.
Oh, it's sweet, 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 sweet.
Oh, wait, you guys can wait for me.
We found the trains. Come here.
Oh, hey. Let's go, and I
No, to the right, to the left, to the left.
Oh my gosh, okay guys, okay.
can't see him now. So
There's a tape over there too. Oh my gosh, we need to
where's
get
the tape?
that.
I can get it.
No, you can't pick anything up.
You can just like follow us.
We have to try and lure him out of there because we need to get over there for the tape. Unless there's a door to there over here. These sound effects are annoying.
No, stay
I kind of like just lost motivation out of them for some reason. I don't know what happened to it.
Yeah, I lost motivation to beat it. And then like I just became leader and I was just like, oh. Like after that phase, and
Where is it? Oh, there it is. Get out the way.
Wait, I need to change the sensitivity, so you can't.
You can't.
It just says resume game and exit for music.
Oh my gosh, run. Did anybody die?
This indicator is so stupid. The RGB spread on this and
Oh my gosh, she's there again. Some away. Oh, now we're in a creepy dissecting body plate.
this game is only $1, and you know how much money they probably got from it? Probably like more than $4, that's for sure.
There's someone that turned around right now. Like someone alive, not that.
I turned around and then one of those creepy sound effects happened again.
Should we go right, left, or should we go right?
Well, we already came from over there, so we should go this way.
No, we should go this way.
Which way?
This way.
Well, why don't you just shut up and be leader already?
Yeah.
Where'd you go?
Me.
We came from over there, kid.
Okay. Let's go.
He's behind us. He's swear. Oh my god.
I think left.
Oh my gosh!
Maybe you turn. Okay, go right. Did anyone else read that box?
Yeah, it's like and there's another one. Oh my gosh,
Let's take left.
Somebody died.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh, he's right behind us! He's right behind us! He's right behind us, dude. He's honestly right behind us. Run! Me and Renegade. Oh my god! Oh my gosh, that little green thing is gonna kill me. Don't look at it. Don't make eye contact. Don't make eye contact.
Yeah, don't look at it.
Do you see it?
Yeah, if you look at it for too long, you're not.
I think we just came from the same room.
Yeah, we came back over here.
This thing is actually pretty stupid.
My elbow itches very, very much, and you guys are leaving me behind because I'm trying to itch my elbow.
Okay, let's wait for this elbow itch break.
This sounds terrible. I did that. Oh, he's behind us. He's
Okay,
behind
anyways,
us.
alright, let's go.
He's behind us.
Is it? Oh, yes, he is. Yes, he is indeed. Okay.
I don't know. Wait, where is Ira?
Just which way are we going, Zara? Make up your mind.
It seems like this hallway never ends. Oh, never mind.
I know, that's how I
You guys are leaving me behind.
I'm at an alien spaceship.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god! Zara, we have been split up forever.
Hey.
Zara, I mean Renegade, are you dead? Bruh. Can I find any? Oh my god! Oh my gosh, dude, he's right behind me. I'm gonna die. Oh my god! Oh my gosh, then that's the end of that.
Let's go play zombies instead.
On his own.
That's the only one who went to that other area.
Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe down below. And as always, thanks for stopping by.